Hey, Gracie here. Today I'm going to tell you all about air plants. So this right here is the plant that you never knew you needed. It's the air plant. Now, I'm sure you've heard all about these. You've probably seen them around. They're really, really cool, and they're popular for good reason. First of all, they're super easy to care for. They don't require much, so they really are for everybody. And second of all, they come in so many different styles and colors, different types, such a huge variety. They're so fun to have around the house. Now, I want to show you a few ways to decorate with air plants around the house and some other fun projects that will help you display them in a unique way. Okay, so the first fun thing I want to show you, how cute are these little sugar skull replicas, different color pots here. I love these. They've got the air plant coming out the top like this. These come in a variety of different colors, and what a great way to add some Halloween decoration as we change seasons now. And pumpkin, so cute, same thing, easy little Halloween decor. I love these little animal guys too. These can hang off the edge of a pot if you want, off of the branch of a plant, whatever you have in mind. Super fun, simple decoration, cute for kids too. Now, another fun thing you can do with air plants is simply display them in your favorite miniature pot like this. English Gardens has so many miniature pots to choose from, so you'll definitely find one. But this is so easy and fun because they can simply just sit in there. Air plants don't need the same layers of soil and nutrients that regular plants do. So they just can kind of be propped up in here. And if you want, you could use some preserved moss like I have here to sort of add some color and some height to it as well. What a great decoration for your desk at home. It's just so cute and simple. Okay, next up is the terrarium. Now, normally terrariums have the different layers of sand and stone and pebbles and soil to serve as nutrients for the plants. But with air plants, you really don't need any of that. We're simply sort of using the vessel as a form of decor. So you can kind of lay them in there, just really simple like so. This one is great for, top of a table like this. Another good office plant as well. Or you can have one hanging like I have over here. It's got some preserved moss in it. These will do great hanging over a kitchen sink, near a window, something like that. What a fun way to decorate. Now, I'm going to show you how easy this is because it really is. Got this cute little hanging glass terrarium vessel with the opening here. Now, what I'm going to do is I picked up some preserved moss from English Gardens. So we've got a variety of different colors and textures here. This stuff is really fun and a great little addition to terrariums because it kind of adds that pop of color. So I'm simply just placing what I want in there, letting, it be its own little piece of art. How easy is that? I'm probably going to hang this one over my kitchen sink. Really good placement for the light that it needs, which I will get to in a minute about all the care tips. But how cute is that? So the next thing I want to show you is more of like a rustic look, adds a little bit more nature, and it involves using some driftwood or maybe a grapevine wreath like this. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So these guys here, this is called cholla wood. Really cool texture, and it's got all these natural openings in it. I love that look. And what you can do is with all these openings like this, simply prop your favorite air plant wherever it is, and it makes its own little cute desktop decoration. This one kind of looks like a palm tree. I'm loving it. And same thing with this guy over here. Just a really easy and fun way to decorate. Now, with driftwood also, you might have something like this. And if it has any natural openings, you can usually sort of kind of set the air plants in there for some easy decor. But if not, English Gardens has this handy air plant glue, really easy to work with, really easy to use. And all you do is you'll simply attach them to the wood in any sort of style or fashion you like. And that's why these are so fun, because you can glue them on. They're not hurt by that. So it's really a fun way to decorate, and you can make something beautiful. Now, I want to show you one of my favorite things is to use a grapevine wreath. Now, these are fun to use to decorate for all the different seasons. You can kind of change it out as you go. but they're really fun to use with air plants because it does have all these natural openings. So let me show you, for example, if you wanted, you can kind of just stick them in wherever it makes sense, and create a cute little design like that. Loving that. And this is fun because you can, take them out, switch them around if you need, take them out for watering, that kind of thing. And you can also add in some of that preserved moss like I was telling you about and add some color and little decorative aspects all around. Keep building this out. Really cute and really fun thing to hang in the house. And finally, last but not least, let's talk about some care tips for air plants. Now, there's really not much to say here because they are so simple to care for, but sunlight is the first thing. These air plants, they really do like to be near some sunlight, but of course with any plant, too much direct sunlight could be harmful. So maybe within 3 to 5 feet of a window or perhaps an artificial light source. These will do really great in a room like a kitchen or a bathroom where there's that natural humidity. They really thrive in that sort of environment. So just be sure to give them the light that they need. And a vessel like this is really great too, any of these glass ones, because the sunlight can reach them from all angles. Now let's talk a little bit about watering. So best thing to do is once a week to submerge these guys fully in a bowl or bucket of water. Let the moisture get all the way around it. And then to take them out and let them dry, simply place them on a towel and put the leaves down like this so that the water can fully drain out and these will be perfectly dry. And then they can simply go back into their, terrarium, into the driftwood, into the pot, whatever you have going. Now, another thing we have here is the air plant food. So simply spritz this fully over the air plant once a week. It's a good little solution of nutrients that these guys will really enjoy. And last but not least, one great thing to have on hand with air plants is a mister like this. These are really great for any tiny or small plant, but just a nice way to supply them with that water, especially for these ones that are already attached to a pot or these little decorations or the driftwood decorations. Really handy to have on hand. For products used in this video, check out the description below. Product inventory changes frequently and selection does vary by store. Stop by any English garden store today to get everything you need to bring air plants into your home. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.